Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Plot Mark and welcome to earGROUND New Voices Amplified. This is the place where we get to speak to artists from Zimbabwe within the diaspora, artists that are working within the creative scene and the creative industry in Zimbabwe. And today I'll be speaking to none other than the amazing. We have heard her voice, we have seen her on the silver screen, and she's been, a social media sensation. And for those that watched the 8th episode today, you know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about CHIDO. How are you, CHIDO?
Hi, I'm good. How is you?
I'm good. I'm good. Do you easily respond to CHIDO? Does that ring a bell when somebody calls you CHIDO, or you're still getting used to that?
No, like I'm so used to be called Chido the entire these days. So
Great,
yeah.
great. So your real name, Tapiwa Patience Nzira.
Yeah.
Great. Tell us.
Pure patience.
Awesome, great. Yeah, so tell us just a bit about your upbringing, about your childhood, and where you grew up, how your life was like as a little kid, and your influences.
Okay, so basically I in Miami and it's a camp like after Airport Road. I
Yeah,
guess you all know it.
yeah.
That's where I did my preschool, my primary, and then high school. That's when I went to Vinona. And then yeah, and then now I'm by Chinhoyi University of Technology, doing tourism and hospitality.
Great. Growing up, I mean, acting, was it something that you thought one day you're gonna be doing, or it's something that you just came across later? Um, was there something that motivated you or inspired you, or someone who motivated you to get into acting as a kid?
Okay, so as a kid, I used to see this. We all know High School Musical, right? So
Yeah.
I really liked this girl, Vanessa Hudgens. And when I saw her, I used to tell myself, oh, I want to be like this girl one day doing musicals and stuff. So when Debbie came to me and said he had a part for me, I was just like, okay, let me do it. Ha! I didn't know I could even do it.
So was that your first time like acting,
it,
playing a role?
it it was my first. I've never acted before.
Wow, wow,
Yeah.
great. But how was it like your first time being in front of the camera? Was it an easy thing or you were nervous?
It's not an easy thing, I tell you.
But it
It
didn't like
is
it's
very
so easy. Like when you're acting, it looks so easy. It looks like you just like going about your normal life.
but it's not easy. Acting is not easy, I tell you.
Mm.
And those people who act Ndola style, I salute them, those guys, because like there will be cameras everywhere, and then you have to act like this camera, this character that you're not. Ah, it's hard.
Wow. So now you're studying. Um, how are how are you balancing your acting and your studying? You're at the University of Chinhoyi University of Technology, and you're studying
Yeah.
hospitality management. Uh, it was it easy to balance your studies and acting?
Yeah, it was because when we were shooting some of the episodes, Papa Ripa holiday, Papa vacation, so I didn't have anything to do at that time. But right now, I have like a lot of assignments that I have to do, and people will be sending me messages in my inbox, CG and stuff, and they all expect me to reply them, and then some of them will be trying to call, telling me that what I'm doing is not fair, what, but people, I try.
Wow.
I'm trying to reply them all. So yeah, this is the time when it's hard. But when we were acting, it wasn't because it was on vacation.
Great. But did you know any of these guys that are part of wadiwa Wepa Moyo before, or it's people that you met on set?
Or the only person that I knew was Debbie, the
Or the
director.
director?
Met
Wow. So
at Loud, that singing you know it, right?
which one?
Loud.
Loud, yes.
Yeah, Loud Afria. That singing competition. That's where I met Debbie.
Ah, okay, cool. Yeah,
And
yeah,
then
yeah, yeah, it's called by Pariah State, not Pariah.
Pablo's.
Pablo's, yes, Pablo's. Yeah, I was there when
Yeah,
it was
that's one. Yeah.
ah,
And then the other guys I just met them there on set. And you can imagine like how nervous I was meeting those people for the first time, Chichi and
mm,
stuff. But they're actually good people. They made me feel at home, like we knew each other for a long time.
yeah. And now, like, have they become part of your friends community? Are you guys friends? Namantawa, Nanoku, because you really played it so well, like as if you knew these people before. But how is it like now? Have you guys become friends, or it was like we just acted and it was done?
No, we are actually friends. Like we are actually friends. Like I said, they are good people. They are easy to interact with. They didn't even make me feel like I was the one atongotanga wokuya izvezvi kuti because
Yeah,
vagara vanoacta vese kuvhura utare.
yeah,
I didn't
yeah.
even feel like that. Ndanda kutofila kunge takatobva tese kuwire chichi.
Ah,
But yeah.
nice. And talking about
Mm,
loud, you were part of that competition. This means you have been singing before, and I heard you sing. I saw your clip, which is super awesome. And also, I hear that you
I
composed
think
and yeah, you did. You did the song, the opening song for the series.
yeah.
You know, Wepa Moyo. Um, Tell us about your singing background. Have you been doing music before? Was it your first time, producing that song, recording, or you've been making music before?
Okay, so music. Basically, I started singing when I was a kid. That's what my mom always tells me.
Wow.
And then I'm always singing everywhere I am. Whether I'm doing my assignments, whether I'm happy, I am sad, chichi, music, it just keeps me going. I really love it. And for now I haven't done much with that. I only recorded that track, that wadiwa Wepa Moyo track. That's
Okay.
the only thing that I have recorded so far.
Wow.
And that cover song that I sent. But I'm really thinking of of composing some songs.
Great.
I want to do more with my music.
Great. And the character Chido, does that reflect your personality? Is it the person that you are, what we see in the series, or it's a complete different from your personality?
um, the part where she's inquisitive, yeah, that's me. Always asking Chichi and stuff, always asking questions. But then the snitching part and the Zungu, no.
You're not a snitch.
I'm not a snitch, guys. I'm not a snitch. By the way, I'm sorry, no, I didn't mean to.
I hope she has said that. I hope she has said that. We look forward to the next episode.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's quite interesting. But um, how has your life changed from the time that this series went on air up to now? You've talked about people coming to your inbox trying to talk to you, but do you feel your life has changed? And if it has, how has it changed since wadiwa Wepa Moyo?
Before this, I would just walk past people and no one would, notice me, chichi and stuff. And then this is like when we were at school. Ha!
Yes.
Hey, sorry, name's Kane. Do you
Uh,
go? Do you want to forward? Like a lot of people would do that, and then my friends come and go asking kufamba neni.
wow.
Yeah, it has changed for the better though, because some of the people who are coming to my inbox, they are one way my producers, Chichi and stuff. So yeah, it's cool.
Great. Apart from the producers, you also get the boys, sliding into your DM now.
What?
No, I'm saying, yeah,
Sorry.
apart from the producers, are there any boys that are sliding into your DM because now you're this big celebrity?
A lot, a lot. Like a lot of them. They are. If you were to see my inbox right now,
Yes.
ah, I think,
But do you respond
oh,
to them? Just curious, do you respond to them or you're like, okay, I'm just gonna ignore this?
no, I'm a good person. I'm sweet. I'm sweet, guys. So yeah, I respond to them. I try to respond to those that I can. Every time I try to respond to them. But obviously, and consequence reply because I understand.
Great. But still on that, has anybody responded to your role in a very unpleasant way that you felt uh, uncomfortable? Was there any moment that you felt okay because of the way that I'm playing, or now that today we had an episode that was talking with you snitching? Has there been like any moment yet where somebody says, "Oh, why did you do that?" That kind of thing.
Okay, so today there were like three people that called me that I responded to. They were saying like, Chino, why did you snitch, Chichi? And then I'm like, guys, this is just a movie.
Yeah.
Some people are taking this thing to heart. Like if you see some of the comments, yeah,
Yes.
man, but I'm not
Yeah.
really. Apana one right because I haven't read my comments anasi
Yes. Okay.
since Pabuda episode.
Great. It means you're doing so
Yeah.
well and it looks so real. So well done on that. And after this project, what's next? What's coming up? What's coming from uh, Tapiwa or CHIDO? What's next after this?
Okay, I was thinking of opening my YouTube channel, right? Where I'll be posting my cover songs in some of the content that I do in. Because I have had people vachindichi where can we download your music chichi, and andisati ndani kana music yangu. So yeah, ndoda kutoisa channel izvi.
Okay, great.
And I hope to really work with some of the musicians like Zimbabwe.
Who would
Gemma,
you want to work with?
yeah, I heard people saying that I sound a bit like Gemma. So Gemma, hi.
Like Gemma? Yeah.
I hope we can. Yeah,
So
I hope
if Gemma is watching right now, what would you want to say to her?
um I enjoy her music. She's really talented, and I hope that I could work with her maybe in the future and
Yeah.
learn a thing or two about her. I also like getting my Panzuride and
Yeah.
Tam.
Yeah. And Tammy.
Also, yeah, also Japreza.
Japreza. Okay.
Trevor G2. Yeah.
Mhm. Great. So I'm gonna send a word to all these artists that you've mentioned. Some of them are my friends. Yes, you've mentioned
Oh, really?
Japreza, Kerima Panzure. Trevor D, Gemma, and Tammy. So I'm gonna write them
Yeah.
a message and then connect you, and we don't know what's gonna happen from there. But I believe you are an amazing musician. When I heard it first, I was like, "Oh, that must be Gemma," and until that I
Mhm.
saw a clip that said it was somebody different, that it was you.
Thank you.
Yeah. So fingers crossed. Yeah. And where do we see you 5, 10 years from now?
5 to 10 years from now, yeah, by then, I would have finished my degree, of course. I don't know if I'm gonna use it, but yeah, I think I will. And then
Mhm.
acting, if I get some opportunities where like people would want me to act, yeah, I'm down.
Yeah.
And also singing, maybe I think I would be a musician by then.
Wow.
Fingers crossed. God is in need, so we just see how it goes.
Wow, great. And in your free time, you're not in front of a camera, you're not behind a microphone. What does CHIDO do?
In my free time, I'm always indoors. Zvekuti even this lockdown, chichi, I'm not even feeling it. Kuti pane chiri kuitika or something, because my life guy and inotongorivolva mumba chaimo.
Mhm.
I'm always watching TikTok videos. Yeah, I make TikTok videos, and ah, I'm just home. I
Mhm.
don't go out a lot. Yeah.
Great, great. And what would you want to say to Debbie for the opportunity that you got to be, part of this series? If you had a chance to say something to him now, what would it be?
Okay. Hi, Debbie. So I would really like to thank Debbie for this opportunity because he saw something in me. I guess that's why he called me. I don't know, that I would have never seen in myself. Chokwadi, if it wasn't for him, I don't think I would have been acting or even be famous right now. So I would just like to thank Debbie for this opportunity. I'm really grateful. Thank you.
Great, great. And before we go, there's a young girl who's there in Mavuku, in Tafara, in Dotito, in Chikanga, in Magwegwe, in Lupane, who looks up to you, who's admiring what you're doing, but they don't have an opportunity, they don't have a chance, they don't know where to start. What would you want to say to them?
Okay. What I would like to say is that if you have a dream, don't be afraid to go for it. I know it's hard. There are a lot of people out there who have negative energy. They'll be just telling you can't do this, you can't do that, and you should not listen to those people because you yourself, you know what you're capable of doing. So just believe in yourself, and those people that give you positive energy, just believe in yourself. You're more than you think. Don't let anyone put you down. Just be yourself. Just do you great, guys. Usatomboterere munhu ako.
Great, powerful,
Yes.
powerful. And somebody's asking, how can we connect with her? What are her social media handles? Is she on Instagram? Is she on Twitter? Is she on Facebook? Where can we get in touch with her?
Okay. On Instagram, it's Patience Tapiwa,
Okay.
and I have two accounts on Instagram. The
Okay.
main account is Patience Tapia, and then there is this account that I post my my TikTok videos.
Yeah.
It's called Patience Nzira, and then
It's
on
called Patience.
Facebook, Patience Nzira,
Okay, great.
yeah. And then on Facebook it's Tapiwa Nzira.
Okay, great, great.
And then on Twitter, I'm not really that active on Twitter. So I actually made up this account and then I forgot my password.
No, it's fine. It's fine.
then I made then I made another account. So I have two accounts, but I'm going to put down the other one. So I think I'm going to be left with Tapiwa and Zira. Tapiwa and Zira, yeah.
Awesome, awesome.
Is
Wow,
my account.
great. Thank you so much. It's been an honor to have you on this program, and we super excited. I don't know if you have heard other interviews before, but for us, we are happy to have hosted you, and we'll definitely, stay in touch, keep following what you're doing, and supporting the work that we are doing too.
Okay, thank you.
You're most welcome. So, for everybody who's been watching, we've been speaking there to Tapiwa Nzira, aka CHIDO, wadiwa Wepa Moyo. We just watched what happened today. We're looking forward to what's going to happen next time. Mantawa, what's the reaction? And what will be the reaction? We will know. If found out that she's been snitched, well, that's for you to look out. Subscribe uh, to the YouTube channel, and it's College Central. That's the YouTube channel, and you find all the videos. wadiwa Wepa Moyo is there. And until next time, somebody's asking before you go, can we get a snippet, even 30 seconds, of the song, maybe the one that you did as the opening?
You want the one that I did as an opening? As the opening.
Yeah, maybe the one that you did as an opening for wadiwa Wepa Moyo, or any other. Just 30 seconds or a minute.
Okay. I'm thinking of a song.
Okay, cool.
Okay. The one I'm into these days, it's Pindirai by
Okay.
Gary Mapanzure.
Oh, yeah,
Okay.
nice. Great.
Okay. Here it goes. Kuchema kutaura kudai zvinenge zvichirema, vatofambidzana nekutaurirana nekubatisana vanenge vachisema, adzizi nemakopaya patakatenda tikatendukira iko kune chiedza, matakatya kare haanyaradzi mwana, ndiro yatakadyira itsvamunana. Oh, Pindirai Mwari, kana muchinzwa Mwari, Mwari wezviratidzo vezvinoshamisa, tachema. Okay, there you go.
Super awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That was awesome. And yeah, once again, thank you so much for your time. Until next time, we stay in touch. New Voices Amplified, earGROUND. Peace.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Okay.